How do you properly put together walls for your interior-exterior environment or any other project to avoid various unwanted visual artifacts? Let's go over a few scenarios. I want to explain to you what you should do and what you shouldn't. Here are 3 different examples of how walls are often assembled. When the entire room is merged together into one single unified object, and when each separate object is a distinct and unique box-shaped entity. That is, a primitive like this, a simple square, or a basic box-shaped object. And when instead of boxes people use just planes, flat surfaces, and so on. Now I want to switch to the engine and explain how everything works, what issues you might encounter with each type of workflow, and how to deal with them. This video was prepared for CG boards. Follow the link to watch other videos and develop your skills in various CG fields. Here, I've added all 3 rooms into Unreal, and we can immediately notice the one on the right. The one made out of planes is transparent, and because it's transparent, light passes right through it. This isn't very convenient for work, as you can imagine. It's not really useful at all. A few different individuals might create a 2-sided material to try to circumvent this specific problem in order to ensure that light doesn't pass through the walls. But then you'll get these kinds of artifacts at the wall joints, because mesh distance field works very poorly with planes, and that's exactly how Lumen works. It creates a mesh distance field. I won't go into the details of what that is right now. But essentially, a volume is created around the planes, which receives light. If a plane doesn't have any thickness, it starts to produce artifacts. So now I'll remove the 2-sided material and show you 2 other examples. The first example is when the entire object is merged into one, and when the geometry is made from each regular primitive, each side, each wall has its own primitives. If we fly into the scene where we merged everything into one object, we can see an artifact like glowing in the corners. This is a combination of mesh distance field and light map UV. So what does this mean? Initially, the UV map for such an object is oversized, complicating calculations for small details and corners, which produces artifacts. Similarly, the mesh distance field struggles with complex geometry. By complex geometry, I mean that it is multi-layered. As we can see, it's a room within a room within a room. And because of this, we get these serious artifacts that will really interfere with the render in the game. But if we build the space correctly out of primitives, then when we go inside and walk to the farthest room, we won't see anything wrong. All the corners are dark, and the light is completely absorbed by the room. Right now, auto exposure is turned off, the entire space absorbs the light, and it's as dark as it would be in real life. So if you're creating a space, or if you're designing houses and so on to ensure that the lighting inside these environments is rendered accurately and realistically, without any light leaks like the ones seen here, and without any unwanted light artifacts, you need to adhere to the guidelines for properly modeling and assembling spaces from basic primitives. Each side, each box is a primitive. Do not use planes, because if you use a plane in your interior and cover it with a lid, light will simply pass into the room, and it won't work correctly for you. That's all for now. Visit CG boards, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will be covering all the basics and posting them in a structured way on my website. See you soon!